Following his father's illustrious career, enjoying the popular mandate of his fellow Paraqueños, he was elected and served as city mayor from 1998 to 2001, then re-elected and completed his second term from 2001 to 2004. Having served the city and his constituents well, a posted and proven track record as public servant, the increasing level of trust and confidence of the people in him paved the way for him to win in the May 10, 2004 polls. He was re-elected city mayor in the succeeding election in 2007, again by landslide win. Let's all welcome our beloved Mayor, Florencio Bernabe Jr.
Ating pong task ngayong umaga, pakita po sa inyo yung amin pong ginawa nung nakaraang 4.5 years. Ang amin pong priorities ay, kung tawagin namin, ay Project HELPS, which is an acronym for Health, H for Health, E for Education and Environment, L for Livelihood, P for Peace and Order, S for Socialized Housing, Social Services, and Sports. Meron po tayong gold card na binibigay po sa mga poorest of the poor. 50% po yan ng discount sa community hospital. Ang tawag po nila ngayon doon ay ginawa ng Sangguniang FB Bernabe Senior Memorial Hospital. At we are accredited with PhilHealth. At namimigay po tayo ng mga PhilHealth sa masa. Muna rin po ni Dr. Bertuccio, nagtayo tayo ng Parañaque Elite Rescue Unit. Sakaling may disaster o calamity ay nagbibuild up po tayo ng capability para makapag-respond. We in Parañaque, we try to push hard and give the environment for business and the taxpayers to at least feel at ease, no? That we are one with you in your desire for progress.
Certificate of Appreciation to Florencia M. Bernabe Jr., Mayor, City of Parañaque, in grateful recognition and sincere acknowledgement of the invaluable support he provided to the PQCCI at this Parañaque Business Conference, January 16, 2009.
Under the singular and innovative leadership of our Mayor, Jun Bernabe, this project is only one of those that will make our city a premier investment center in the 21st century. Sinasabi ni Mayor kanina yan. Ikinagagala kong pinakilala sa inyo, Tom Consolacion Jr.
PAGCOR's game plan is centered on our goal to make the Philippines the next Las Vegas of Asia through the fusion of world-class gaming and never-before-seen family fun and entertainment. Our answer to the spectacle of Las Vegas and Macau is the Bagong Ngayong Pilipino Manila Bay Integrated City, a dream destination that will soon rise in your city, Parañaque. Our dream now is to create a premier gaming and entertainment destination. Number 2, give our country tremendous stimulus for economic recovery. And number 3, immediately provide massive employment to our people. Once completed, the Bagong Ngayong Pilipino Manila Bay Integrated City is expected to generate at least $7 billion in direct tourist receipts and $10 billion in gross domestic product by the midterm.
In grateful recognition and sincere acknowledgement of the invaluable support he provided to the Parañaque City Chamber of Commerce and Industry, or PQCCI, at the Parañaque Business Conference held this 16th January 2009, PAGCOR Parañaque.
it ain't gonna be me.
We have a very, very good speaker in Professor Henry Tenedero, and to introduce him, I'd like to call on Mr. Nelson Mendoza, VP of Finance of PQCCI.
Board Director of the PMA in just recently, and Public Affairs Directors of Philippine Refugee Processing Center. He also authored books such as Cooking Up Creative Genius, Breaking the IQ Myth. It's my pleasure to call Mr. Henry or Professor Henry Tenedero.
So world has changed, and I think the beautiful thing about change is that change is real. And I know too well that being a master of change doesn't have to be always IQ in nature. That's why breaking the power of being able to realize that you are gifted beyond measure. School is only a part of your equation. The real equation of the total persona, of your branding, of you as a person, is what is inside you. And what is inside you cannot be dictated by marketing, advertising. It's something that is in you. Your values in life is what you will predict it. That's why when I was looking at the accomplishments of Parañaque, the likes of Mayor Bernabe should be the likes of people who are in the Senate. Real accomplishment. For as long as you have the willing heart and the willing spirit to make a change, then change is reality.
Salambo Awards is our, like I said, the PQCCI Awards for Excellence in Business. Pag ang Salambo po ay isang fishing craft na ginamit in the old days.
This year, in 2009, we have two organizations who are nominees for the Hall of Fame Award, the San Dionisio Credit Cooperative and AstraZeneca.
The other nominees are, and I'd like to acknowledge them because they're here today. Our nominees are SEC Innovation. They are a toll manufacturer of cosmetic products. We also have a nominee in Eagle Express Lines. And of course, yung kanina pang binabanggit ni Mayor, the San Dionisio Credit Cooperative, which is an award-winning co-op.
Three-time winner.
Yes, and also we have Lamoyan Corporation, the Baclaran Vendors Association.
Baclaran Vendors is the first time nominee for the Salambo Awards.
Now, I'm going to rattle some more nominees we felt that are noteworthy. These are Toby International, Holy Trinity, SMS, Manila Memorial Park, the Lina Group of Companies, and Zilog Electronics.